Should we worry about the fact that the line between the human brain and a computer is getting blurred? Is it a problem that computers will soon be able to think? This was the question given to us for our tech literacy group project. It was done by Michael Woods, Samira Samaru, Takesha Innes, and Christian Audan. Artificial intelligence. When one is discussing the fact that the line between the human brain and a computer is getting blurred, and the problem we face that computers will soon be able to think independently without human input, we immediately jump to artificial intelligence, or AI, which is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translations between languages. Should we as human beings be worried about the development of future technology and AI creation? Through this PowerPoint, I would like to discuss the pros and cons of artificial intelligence. Some pros of artificial intelligence include the reduction of human error. The phrase human error was born because humans make mistakes. From time to time, computers, however, do not make these mistakes. If they are programmed properly with artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previous gathered information, applying a certain set of algorithms so errors are reduced and the chances of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is possible. An example of this is in weather forecasting. Using AI technology, they have reduced the majority of human error and have accurately been able to predict the weather. Available 24/7. An average human will work 4 to 6 hours a day, excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out for refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work. And they even have the weekends off to maintain a balance with their work life and personal life. But using AI, we can make machines work 24/7 without any breaks, and they don't even get bored unlike humans. An example of this is in the educational institutes and helpline centers are getting more queries and issues which can be handled effectively using AI technology. The last pro of artificial intelligence we talk about are new inventions. AI is powering many inventions in almost every domain, which will help humans solve the majority of complex problems. An example of this is that recently, doctors can predict breast cancers in women at earlier stages using advanced AI-based technologies. Artificial intelligence also has some disadvantages. Let's see some of them.
As Christian was rightfully talking about the pros, I'll be speaking of the cons with artificial intelligence. The first one pertains to job losses. There is no way around it. AI will cost lesser skilled people their jobs. Robots have already taken many jobs on assembly lines, and as AI gets better at doing complex tasks, even more lower skilled jobs will be taken. AI will create much more wealth than it destroys, but it will not be equitably distributed, especially at first. Said Wilson, driverless cars is one obvious singular tech that will displace millions of human drivers fairly quickly. Two examples of this tech being used throughout the world are Tesla's Model X and Google's driverless car throughout 4 states in America. Cons of artificial intelligence. One of the major issues that becomes prominent in the world these days are making humans lazy. AI is making humans lazy with its application automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions, which can cause a problem. Of this pertains to the crew members within Tesla against Ford. In the present moment, Tesla only carries around 50 to 100 persons within their workplace, while in Ford there were at least 300 to 400 in the time of the 50s. Shows a comparison that technology is ever growing and AI is ever taking the span into the direction of taking over the human. Another con of artificial intelligence: social manipulation and AI bias. So far, AI is still at risk for being biased by humans that built it. If there is a bias in the data sets the AI is trained from, that bias will affect AI action. In the wrong hands, AI can be used, as it was in 2016 US presidential election, for social manipulation and to amplify misinformation. Is artificial intelligence something we should be worried about? The fact that the line between the human brain and a computer is getting blurred. Is it a problem that computers will soon be able to think? Can be seen in both a positive and negative light. Yes, many believe that through artificial intelligence we human beings will reap many benefits and gain a lot more through automation that comes from artificial intelligence. And robots, as many others, also believe that it is a tool for replacing and manipulating human behavior and thought, but AI's brain are no more different from a child. It has to be taught from the ground up, and its uses are tailored by its creator. So at the end of the day, it depends on how humans decide to teach an artificial intelligence and how they interact with it, because from what it learns, it is how an artificial intelligence will behave.